In this video, I'll show you how to remove the window switch of your Honda CRV 2002 to 2006. So you will need a flathead screwdriver or maybe a very thin knife, and you need to go all the way around the trim of the window switch like this, okay? Go gently so you don't make any damage. Start by the lower side and then work like this until you go on the top and you unclip the last clip. Wiggle it a bit and you won't be able to pull it out completely because it's held by harness. If we go and take a look here, there is this big harness. You need to push this small lever there that is keeping the harness in place and it will release. You see this small lever? You need to push it with your flathead screwdriver and pull at the same time. Then we have another harness over here. This is small and it's easy. Again, push on the release tab, and just like this you'll be able to remove your window switch and replace it with one that is actually working. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.